Ooh, it's got a package. Let's open it. Package. The J socks? J suits? Suits. Suits? How do you pronounce that? Very big packaging for a cord. Must be a big cord. This is a very long cord. I mean, this is, yeah, shit. It's definitely made. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic, if that makes sense. It feels good. It feels like it's gonna last a very long time, which is what I'm very, very excited about. At the Quest, I was in need of a new head strap, so we got the T1 head strap, the Quest 2 head strap from and you guys really need to start putting your name on these packages, because I can't even. Yeah. Box. Interesting. I'm a bit concerned, in all honesty. But hold on. Is that it? So what's this for? Like that. Oh, and that goes through there, and then that's. Oh, I get it. Okay. So that's how that works. So let's put our headset. I was originally using this head strap. Forgot what it's called. It's an interesting head strap. I mean, I like it. I don't like it. It's a tough one. The side did break, so me with my innovation skills, I had to screw into the side there. And keep it together, and it works. Still moves and everything. So, yeah. But yeah, let's take this one off. We're gonna be quite gentle. Yeah, no, this is I can't lie. This is actually quite a comfortable setup. It was easy. I honestly prefer this already over my other one. It's very tight. Well, it's not too tight, but it's tight around the face, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off while playing or anything. So yeah, no, it feels good. It genuinely feels like a good head strap. I'm quite happy with it. This feels quite useless though, so I might just take this off, but who knows. But yeah, just want to do a quick unboxing. So yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for watching my unboxing on the head strap and the sucks. I don't know how you pronounce it. Sucks cord. So yeah, have a good day. Thank you for watching.